Hello, and season's greetings from the Grasshopper. I'm just out for a short ride today around my neighborhood to some of my favorite scenic spots. First, I'm going to stop off at Sargeant Bay Provincial Park. It's a lovely spot with a really nice view. The bay was busy with families and dogs and everybody enjoying the view. The weather was a little cool as it is December, but it was still really lovely. Bagheera even made a new friend. It was soon time to carry on. I continued down one of the favorite roads near my house, back onto the highway, and my next stop would be at Trout Lake. After enjoying the view for a while, it was time to head home. I just wanted to take this moment to wish everybody a happy holidays and wish everybody a really safe and adventurous 2022. And hopefully the adventures are good and happy. Take care, everybody, and safe travels.
Close your eyes. What do you hear?
I hear the water. I hear the birds.
Do you hear your own heartbeat?
No.
Do you hear the grasshopper, which is at your feet?